a special note, like this video for this, please. Hi guys, my name is Mithika. I hope you guys are doing good and you guys are in a good health. So if you're new to this channel, I welcome you all, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button below. So I am Mithika and I make videos related to traveling, fashion, makeup, lifestyle and a lot more. There is no traveling video yet because I am still to travel to the places when the lockdown is over. So not lockdown, but when the COVID-19 is over, so then we will be able to travel to the places. So in today's video I will be showing you my top pink lipsticks, which are my go-to lipsticks and I love them a lot. So that is according to my skin tone, that suits my skin tone, so that is why they are my favorite. So I will be showing you my favorite picks of the pink lipstick, pink, fuchsia, mauve, whatever you call it, because I have 6 to 7 lipsticks or maybe more than that. So I will be just showing you the same lipsticks which I use for myself. So without further blabbering, let's get started into the video. The very first lipstick which I'm going to talk about right now is by Stay Quirky. This is the shade Can I Borrow a Kiss 2. So this is my top most favorite lipstick because I love this lipstick. It has a very good pink shade. As you can see, I'm already wearing this lipstick on my lips and I will show you the swatch also. So actually I applied this one before, but what I did, I tried to wash it away and you can see what happened. Like, it did not wash away, it kind of just smudged off. So this lipstick has a very good pigmentation. As you can see, it is a long lasting lipstick and it stays on your lips for around almost 12 hours. So I love this lipstick. This is the shade. So I do not have any foundation on my hand right now, so this is the shade on my hand and this is the shade on my lips. So this lipstick retails for around, I guess it is around for 385. I'm not lying, it has a very good pigmentation. However, it kind of leaves your lips dry, so you need to put on any kind of you need to put on some
One eternity later.
You need to moisturize your lips before applying this lipstick because it is going to leave your lips dry. So that's why if you are somebody who likes matte lipstick, you can go with this lipstick, otherwise you can opt out. So the next lipstick which I'm going to talk about right now is by MAC. This is again my favorite lipstick. This is in the shade All Fired Up. So as you can see, I have applied this lipstick. So this is in the shade fuchsia, this is kind of a fuchsia pink color, it is towards the darker side and it has pink undertone to it. So I love this lipstick. The fact that it is a matte lipstick and it retails for ₹1500. It has a very good pigmentation. However, I am not sure, I am the one who so it kind of gets chappy when I apply it onto my lips. I don't know whether it is with the MAC lipstick or I bought it online. It can be the product issue as well, but I love this lipstick. I love the color of this lipstick and it suits on to my skin tone perfectly. So as you can see, I have already finished it. This is the product which is left. I have already used it and I will be buying the another one as well because obviously this is my favorite one. So this is the shade. And a swatch on my hand as well. And it is going to suit your skin tone perfectly. Those who are darker from my skin tone and those who are fair, this is going to suit them perfectly. So you can just go and buy this lipstick. So the next lipstick is by Colourpop. This is their lipstick and this is in the shade Sauce. So I bought these online from the Colourpop website and I got 3 colors in this lipstick. The shade names are completely different. However, the color is kind of the same. So this is kind of a mauve color. I love this lipstick because it has a very good formula. it does not leave your lips drying, and it is super pigmented, super hydrated, long lasting, and with a matte formula. So that is a perfect for me because I love matte lipsticks. I'm the one who has a stock full of matte lipstick, so that's why big thumbs up from my side to this lipstick. So I will show you the color right now. So as you can see, this is a kind of a mauve color. So I have the same on my lips right now. It is super hydrated. I'm not even lying. Lipsticks from Colourpop are bang on lipsticks. So it is almost over. And the fun fact, the shade of this lipstick is out of stock. I have to look for another shade, and I love this lipstick, and it retails for $6. So these are cheap, like 300 or 400. So if you want, you can try this lipstick. So the next product is by Bella Voste. This is their lip definer, and this is in the shade Hollywood. This is a very good shade, but this is a lip definer. So, and this is extra matte. Actually, you cannot apply this lip definer as it is. You have to moisturize your lips very well. You have to use a chapstick to moisturize your lip because it is going to make your lips look super chappy. So mine are looking a little bit chappy right now because I have applied it without the moisturizer. But use a good moisturizer to apply this lip definer onto your lips. It is going to give you a very pretty color. So this lip definer is going to suit every skin tone, so you can just go ahead and buy this. I bought it from the website named as Purple, and it came with the lipstick. However, I could not find the lipstick, so that's why. This is the color on my hand. Super pink fuchsia color again. So moving on to another lipstick. This is
No! God, please, no! No!
And I broke it. This is the next lipstick which I have broken right now. So this is by Miss Claire, and this is in the shade 12. This is the lipstick which I'm wearing right now, and it has quite a huge amount of product. I almost thought that it is over, but now it is broken, so I can see a lot of product inside. This lipstick retails for rupees 3.99, and this is in a creamy matte texture. This is not completely matte. This is super comfortable to wear. It is kind of a mauve plum shade, a pink shade with a purple undertone to it. So this is the shade, and the swipe on my hand. It retails for rupees 3.99, and I bought it from purple.com. So this is a very good lipstick. If you are not the person who likes completely matte lipstick, they can go and buy this lipstick. So creamy matte broken lipstick. भी तो वीडियो लाइक करना बनता है because I have broken my lipstick. So please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I have already broken my lipstick for this video. So lipstick does not has a very long stay, like it stays for like 2 to 3 hours, or whenever you eat something it just rubs off. Here is the final lipstick, and this is again by Stay Quirky. This is in the shade Color Golds number 5. So this is the color which I'm wearing right now. This is a very bright pink fuchsia color. I love this lipstick. The only drawback about this lipstick is that it is super drying. I applied it twice on my lips and it created a lot of mess. It became super chappy, so I had to remove it and then reapply, but then it was not working because I don't know, my lips were dry or what was the reason. The matte texture is good, but the drawback is that if it is a dry lipstick, then you cannot work with this. So that is the drawback from my side. However, I like the color. This is the second bottle again. So there is a fun story. My friend misplaced the first bottle in the cab, so I had to buy the another one. So this is the other one. This is not the day-to-day lipstick for me, but this is for the occasion. So this is the color. This is the swatch. The price for this lipstick is like $4.99 to $500, I guess. And if you want, you can buy this lipstick, otherwise that is up to you. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching my video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the like, share and subscribe button, and do not forget to share it with your friends. So these were my favorite lipsticks, and let me know which was your favorite lipstick. I know some of you might say that the color of the lipsticks were somehow same. I know it was same, but the undertone was different, the texture was different, the brand was different. So do not forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Not apply this lift your lips look, and this is my favorite lip, and so this lipstick, the Dusky Skin, these were my picks. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching my tutorial.